Mercedes. The logo was designed by Gottlieb Daimler and Carl Benz, the founders of Mercedes-Benz, in 1909. The Mercedes-Benz logo has a simple yet meaningful design. It consists of a three-pointed star enclosed in a circle. The 3 points of the star symbolize Mercedes-Benz's dominance on land, sea, and air, showcasing the brand's commitment to engineering excellence across various modes of transportation. Cisco. The original Cisco logo, which depicted the shape of the Golden Gate Bridge, was introduced in 1984 by John Morgridge. The Cisco logo, with its blue stripes above the logotype, represents an electromagnet and also the Golden Gate Bridge, a nod to the company's headquarters in San Francisco. The name Cisco itself is derived from the city's name, and the logo's design reflects the company's focus on networking and connectivity. Hyundai. The logo was originally designed in 1974 and has seen several revisions to modernize its appearance. The current version, which still carries the essence of the original design, was introduced in 1990 by the Hyundai Motor Company's in-house design team. The Hyundai logo features a stylized H letter, symbolizing the company's name. The logo also represents two individuals shaking hands, signifying the trust and commitment between Hyundai and its customers. It reflects Hyundai's dedication to building strong relationships with its customers. Gillette. The original logo was designed by William Painter, who founded the company in 1901. The Gillette logo is known for its precision and sharpness, which aligns with the brand's reputation for razor blades. The logo features a sleek typeface with a notable cut in the letter I to emphasize the impeccable sharpness of its razors. Additionally, there's an accidental notch in the lower right part of the letter G, symbolizing what might happen if you accidentally cut your fingertip with a well-sharpened razor. Domino's Pizza. The logo was designed by the company's founder, Tom Monaghan, in 1960, shortly after he purchased a pizza store called Dominick's. The Domino's Pizza logo is famous for its 3 dots, which represent the first 3 stores the company opened. The design is a visual play on the name Domino's, as it resembles a domino tile with the 2 squares representing the halves of a domino and the dots bringing in the essence of the game. The logo's colors, red and blue, are vibrant and energetic, reflecting the brand's passion and dynamism. McDonald's. The logo was designed by Jim Schindler in 1962, and it has become one of the most recognizable logos in the world. The McDonald's logo is globally recognized, featuring the iconic golden arches forming an M. Originally, the arches were part of the architecture of the early McDonald's restaurants. The logo evolved to feature the stylized M as the company's symbol. The golden arches represent McDonald's commitment to providing delicious food and friendly service. Wendy's. The original Wendy's logo was created in 1969, coinciding with the opening of the first restaurant. A hidden message that many people notice is the word "Mom," subtly included in Wendy's collar, which is said to associate the brand with the comfort of home cooking. It featured a simple and straightforward design with Wendy's bright-eyed, pigtailed cartoon depiction. The current logo, which was introduced in 2013, maintains the essence of the original, but with a modernized look, keeping Wendy's signature pigtails and freckles. Goodwill. The smiling G logo was designed by the legendary graphic designer Joseph Salami. It was introduced on January 20, 1968, and has since become synonymous with Goodwill's mission of providing employment and training opportunities to people in need. The Goodwill logo, known as the Smiling G, holds a hidden meaning that reflects the organization's mission. Upon first glance of the logo, you see a smiley face. However, this face is actually just a much larger version of the G from the Goodwill text below. Paramount. The Paramount Pictures logo is one of the most iconic in the film industry, featuring a majestic mountain surrounded by a ring of stars. This design symbolizes the studio's commitment to producing top-quality films that reach great heights and captivate audiences around the world. The logo was designed by Paramount's art director, William Hodkinson, in 1916. The 24 stars that formed a circle over the mountain in the beginning stood for the original 24 actors who signed their contracts with the film studio in 1914. Tesla. The Tesla logo is a simple yet meaningful design featuring the letter T, stylized in a sleek and elegant manner. The logo was designed by RO Studio in 2003. This design firm also created the logo for Elon Musk's other company, SpaceX. The horizontal line across the top of the T represents the brand's innovation in electric vehicle technology, while the vertical line suggests motion and progress. Microsoft. The Microsoft logo is an iconic design consisting of 4 colored squares arranged in a grid, known as the Microsoft window. The logo was originally designed by Scott Baker in 1987, and it has undergone several revisions over the years. The red square symbolizes Microsoft Office. The green represents Xbox. The blue is for Microsoft Windows, and the yellow signifies other products and services. The current logo was designed by the agency Pentagram and introduced in 2012. It marked a significant shift to a more modern and flat design, aligning with the company's vision at the time. Olympics. This iconic emblem was created by Pierre de Coubertin, the founder of the modern Olympic Games. In 1913, the Olympic logo, featuring the 5 interlocked rings, represents the unity of the 5 inhabited continents: Africa, Asia, America, Europe, and Oceania. The colors blue, yellow, black, green, and red, combined with the white background, were chosen because every nation's flag at the time included at least one of these colors. The rings symbolize the unity and friendship among the 5 continents of the world, as well as the global spirit of the Olympic movement. Airbnb. The logo was designed by London-based design firm Design Studio in 2014. The Airbnb logo is a stylized design, featuring the company's name in a rounded, lowercase font. It's a combination of 4 elements: a head to symbolize people, a location icon to represent place, a heart for love, and the letter A for Airbnb. Together, these elements convey the idea that you can feel at home anywhere in the world. Northwest Airlines. The Northwest Airlines logo is celebrated for its clever use of negative space. The logo was designed by Landor Associates, a renowned branding firm. The iconic design was launched on September 8, 1989. The logo features a circle with a pointed triangle, which represents both the letter N and a compass pointing northwest. The triangle also forms the letter W, when combined with the shape of the N, cleverly incorporating the airline's initials. Twitch. The logo was designed by the creative agency Whitespace and was introduced in 2011 when Twitch was launched. The logo features a stylized speech bubble with the letter T inside, symbolizing communication and interaction among the gaming community. The letters T, W, and C have a slanted lower left edge, and the letter H has a right upper corner, creating a unique 3D effect that signifies a glitch, a duplication of the image. It conveys that the channel is about people chatting and watching live streams at the same time, with no need to use text for conversation. Formula 1. It was designed by Carter Wong Design, a London-based design agency. It underwent a significant redesign in 2017 to reflect a more modern and dynamic look, capturing the essence of Formula 1's high-speed excitement and prestige. The logo features the letter F with a bold, sleek design, with the negative space creating the number 1 in the middle that represents speed, movement, and the global nature of the sport. NASA. The NASA logo, often referred to as the meatball, has a design that encapsulates the agency's mission. This logo was designed by James Motorelli in 1959, just a year after NASA was established. It features a blue circle, representing the universe with white stars, and a red vector representing a spacecraft orbiting around it. The red chevron shape symbolizes aeronautics, while the circular orbit represents space exploration. Le Tour de France. The logo was designed by Joel Guinoun and was introduced in the early 2000s to represent the modern era of the race. The letters O, U, and R in the word tour, along with the yellow circle, form the shape of a cyclist riding a bike. The yellow circle also represents the famous yellow jersey awarded to the race leader each day. The design captures the spirit of the race and its cultural significance, with a playful brush script that gives it a distinctly French feel, and the splash of yellow reflects the vibrancy of the event.